In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Charter Communication stock. My dear friends, this stock has currently broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before a big upside move gets started. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this wasn't top where the stock had given a massive price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward parallel channel, the stock got corrected by priced wise, and there was a back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see, the first lower lows got triggered here, the first lower lows got triggered over here, the second lower lows here, and the third one is over here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the upper side, first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs. And this is an area where we got in two major positive signal. The first one is downward parallel channel got triggered on the buy side, and the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs on closing basis. That give us a big confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move as far as its lower lows is protected. And now, my dear friends, if you'll see the diversion, you will be surprised to know that even the diversion is showing a positive diversion over here. The price action, the last lower lows peak of the price action is tilting on the downside, and the same thing in the RSI is tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we got a breakout that will going to create an upside momentum. And finally, we will discuss the most important signal, and that will be in chart pattern. Dear friends, if you'll see over here, you will be able to see there is a falling wedge pattern breakout. In technical terms, we call this pattern as a falling wedge pattern. It's a buy pattern. Whenever this pattern get trigger, it's become a high probability trade. You can see there is a you can see over here, this high probability trade got trigger over here, and it's the breakout is lying over to this neckline, and this neckline is already got trigger on closing basis, and this downward resistance line, it's already been dissect. You can clearly see this downward resistance line got trigger on the buy side. So finally, this breakout becomes, this breakout which we call it as an falling wedge, become a high probability trade. Now very soon you will witness the target will be, first target will be reaching to a target of 290 $290 will be the first target, and after that 334 or 335 will be the second target, and even the stock is possible to come, it will come to the target of 375 to fill the gap. And your stop loss should be below this low on closing basis. If I'll mark in red color, your stop loss should be below this closing basis of 179. So even if you'll see the risk to reward ratio, if you'll see the risk area is this much and the reward is this much, so it's a high probability trade of 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3. That's a very good bet for a buy side. And my dear friends, this area of neckline, I also want to confirm you, this area of neckline will act as a strong support. So far this wasn't resistance, but now the resistance turned into an important support because multiple positive factors got triggered here. This was an area where we have identified the downward parallel channel got triggered on the upper side. This was an area where we have where we have identified lower lows shifted to higher highs. This is an area where we witness the positive diversion between the price action and the RSI, and this is an area where we got a positive chart structure, that is a falling wedge pattern breakout on the buy side. So with due respect to all the positive breakout, this area of neckline so far was in resistance, but now resistance turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really love my analysis, if you really love my hard efforts, then support me by subscribing my channel for more new content or for more new breakouts like this.